What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a C10 we've been working on during the week. I haven't really filmed on this one because I've been working on the homie Jesus's crew cab bags. Give you a little bit of a sneak peek, but I've been doing the 4 links. I have been finally installed. You got the 2 links on top and then the bottom links here. You can see that now. So that with this being done, now I can speed up the process. Now I can mount the bags because now the axle's nice and firm and it doesn't go nowheres. So now I can go ahead and put the bags in and finally get this thing done. Once we get the bags on, we are gonna have some guy come and do the fuel cell. He's gonna run the lines and all that to back here, and I'll make a bracket. Once we get it till we can turn it on, then we'll finish up the bags on top of the axle. We'll weld them all in, fully weld them, everything. I'm gonna tack everything in just to make sure everything's functional. And then once we like I said, we get it to turn on, then I can move it in my garage and finish the last of it. It's been a long process for this truck, but the homie Jesus has been patient. Like I said, I'm on a one-man crew guy here, one-man team. Sometimes I have help, sometimes I don't. But like I said, stay tuned. We got some for this. And as we can already see, a C10 with the Nissan Titan window and a sunroof. I don't know if that's been done or not. I've looked online, I haven't seen it been done, so I might be the first one to get it done. Like I said, I haven't seen it done. I might be wrong, but if not, then I might be the first one to install a Nissan Titan window on a C10. Came out badass. What I ended up doing is crafting the Nissan Titan bracket window onto the truck. There's no body work done to this because he is going to send it out to Mexico to get it all fully done up. So he just told me to install it like this, pretty much raw. Same for the sunroof. Everything's just been tack welded. Same for the sides. Badass Nissan Titan window. Badass. Like I said, guys, I've been working on this during the week. A lot of stuff I don't post because I'm super busy. A lot of times I don't have time to record. I get the vehicles in and I just want to get them out, work on them and get them out. I do have a limited space here. I'm here at my house since I do everything here off my driveway. But yeah, this one's done. This one's good to go home. And like I said, we'll put all our efforts now back into the crew cab and get that done for Jesus. So like I said, man, thanks for being patient. I know you've been waiting a while, but it's just with the COVID and the winter and the days that, you know, the days that don't last long, especially when I do work on my full-time job and I only have a little bit of time after work. I try to do what I can. So well, that's it, guys. C10. Hopefully I'm the first one to put a Titan window on a C10. Like I said, I might be wrong. If not, comment down below, tag me on anything else that anyone else has done. And if you guys want to go ahead and take my work and do it to yours, then go right ahead. Just tag me in it to see how it comes out. I ain't no hater. And a lot of people don't want to post everything, but like I said, all I did was cut out the actual bracket of the Nissan Titan window off the truck, chopped it all up to make it really thin to where it's just the actual bracket, and then I tack welded it all the way around, usually how I do my panoramics, same way how the sunroof is installed. So it's just another way. If you guys want to go ahead and install this, you can probably install this on any other car or truck that doesn't fit it direct, and you want to do this, then go right ahead. It is a lot of work, but like I said, it's going off to Mexico to get fully done up, paint and body. That's gonna be it, guys.